As I sit to pen this love letter, I feel the earth between my fingers. The soil that has given birth to generations of artisans, weavers, farmers, and dreamers. There is a quiet, steady pulse in the heartbeat of these villages that calls to me. Our villages hold the wisdom of countless generations, passed down not in books but in culture, craft, songs, rituals, and a way of life connected deeply to the land. This power has drawn me in, changed me, and rooted me in a love that is beyond logic and touch. It is something much deeper, something almost sacred. Our villages are alive with the hum of life and skill. Each craft a language that speaks of centuries. The handlooms, the intricate weaves, the carved statues, the delicate pottery, these stories are the stories of art forms passed down through time, carrying our identity. Today, there are over 7 million artisans across India, each representing a world within themselves, a world of creativity, endurance, and profound cultural wealth. These artisans, the carriers of our indigenous arts, breathe life into a billion-dollar craft economy, rich in artistry and potential. Our crafts employ over 200 million people, and yet their true value remains unappreciated on the global stage. They are the heart of our economy, and that has thrived quietly at the grassroots level, but too often underestimated and unseen. Our villages are the pulse of our culture. These skills here are ancient, honed over thousands of years, and perfected in ways no machine could replicate. And yet these artisans remain humble, dedicated to serving their communities, teaching their craft to their children, preserving the ways of life that move with the rhythms of nature. This is the heritage I love, a heritage that sustains us even if it is uncelebrated. My soul stretches across the villages of India for the hands that weave saris by the moonlight, for the voices that sing ancient songs as they work the fields, for the quiet dignity of the artisans who hold centuries of skill and heritage in every piece they create, undisturbed by the rush of modernity. It's as if they hold the secrets of something vast and old, stirring a deep sense of belonging within me. I want the world to know their stories, to see what I see, to feel what I feel. This is my mission, my purpose, my offering to the soul of our country. They are my Swadesh, and to love them is to love all of India. This is my vow, my life, my legacy, to love, serve, and uplift our villages that hold our roots, our history, and our untold future. This love story is more than a story. It is my reason for being. My journey has been shaped by these stories, by the call to share them with the world. It is my purpose, my promise to our villages to ensure that the world sees the magnitude of their worth. These hands and voices have gifted me a deeper understanding of life, a reverence for craftsmanship, and a love that moves across borders and time. It is a love that humbles me, a love that has changed the course of my life, grounding me in a mission to honor their legacy. Here's to our beautiful villages. My love story.